Some of the new arrivals this week are, how about the 1968 Dodge Coronet RT hardtop?
Ooh, I loved the RT.
Medium blue metallic over white and black. Long-term ownership in this date-correct 440 cubic inch V8.
That's in the center hall here, right?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I've seen it. It's beautiful.
Date-correct A727 3-speed automatic. Stunning presentation on this car.